Well, I would think capacity building is the hallmark of our involvement in Timor-Leste's readiness to join ASEAN. Under the Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program, MTCP, we have thus far trained slightly above 1,000 Timorese officials in a variety of areas through short-term and medium-term courses. To be precise, in the last 2 years alone, we have trained close to 500 Timorese officials in niche areas which we identified after needs assessment, and this includes English, negotiation skills, diplomacy, land systems, and the like. So I would say capacity building is the our main contribution to Timor-Leste's road towards joining ASEAN. In addition to that, we contributed $200,000 for the setting up of the Timor-Leste unit within the ASEAN Secretariat in Jakarta. Before the last summit in Kuala Lumpur in May, we also received 13 Timorese officials to a very practical training, actually, what we call the Special Attachment Program for Timorese officials to see firsthand what the situation really is on the ground, logistically and substantively. And if all goes well for the upcoming summit, we will have another group, another batch or cohort, which will proceed to Malaysia approximately for a period of 1 month to see before, during, and after. Because, after joining ASEAN, I guess the next thing that Timor-Leste will be aspiring is to chair ASEAN, and therefore, host a summit when their turn comes. So these are all natural progression for a country that is going to become a member of ASEAN. You need to be prepared. You need to know what is expected. And as I mentioned earlier, end of the day, it all depends on your demonstration of will and capability to integrate in the region.